Evo ga. Vidite, sada igrat ćemo danas Spidermana. Sviđa mi se Spiderman, ovaj novi. Igrao sam ga sada. Voila! Evo ga. Sada je već bolje. Idemo. Spiderman igramo. Ne znam da li je ovo ovaj novi. Samo igram. Primimo se igre. Idemo. Idemo. Continue. Idemo u igru. Dobro.
If I'm gonna find all of Fisk's construction sites, I should recalibrate my mapping software to be more accurate. Using a depth-mapped post-process on photos of popular landmarks should do it. And I know just the one to start with.
Malo mi je čudno, jer ja dok sam zadnji put igrao, ja tu nisam stao. Zašto? Ovo je sve čudnije i čudnije postaje. Oh, I believe fucking fly.
I think I smoothed things over with the grant committee. If Lance Corporal Texador's fitting tomorrow goes well,
Hey, pa ovaj već jesam.
That's fantastic, Doc. We're back on track.
Provisionally, as long as our little incident escaped the mayor's attention. You be at the fitting tomorrow?
Definitely. It'll go great. We're gonna change the world, Doc.
I'll settle for not starting any.
Evo ga.
Good old Empire State. Man, I love this town. Time to grab a snapshot.
Idemo. Nisam da zna. Evo ga.
That'll do it. Map should be recalibrated now.
Šta
Haven't done much
sad?
photography since quitting the Bugle. Forgot how much I enjoy it. Should keep an eye out for more landmarks to shoot.
Dobro. Idemo suit. Vidite. Novi suit. Ne bom ovaj, ja ću si ostaviti stari. Super iška. Ne.
Huh, it's Mr. Lee. Hello?
Peter, it's Martin Lee. I
Da,
just wanted to
ovo
let
sam
you
već
know we need a
riješio,
little
ne znam
extra
zašto
time
mi
to get set for
ponovno
May's
daje.
party. I guess the cake delivery is stuck in traffic.
Oh, sure thing. Just let me know when you're ready and I'll swing by.
Great. Talk to you soon.
Dobro, idem.
Okay, got some time to kill. See what's happening out in the city.
Dobro, sad ne znam gdje trebam ići. Ček,
Attention units, need response to a break-in. Reported location is Kips Bay. Over.
čekaj. Ne može biti tako, Spidey. Sada sam... Ja totalno... Nemam pojma gdje trebam. Ja ćemo se nekako snaći. A gdje trebam?
7 kidnapping reported. Nearest officer, please respond.
Gdje trebam?
Available officers, please proceed to Koreatown.
Dobro.
Got an algorithm in the suit that can extrapolate where the kidnappers might have gone.
A, tu. Okej, blizu. Je tu.
Victim's gotta be nearby.
A, tam. Ha, nemam pojma
I'll set
šta.
my earpiece to focus. Hi, Mr. Lee.
Hey, Peter. We're all set for the party whenever you're ready.
Cool, I'm on my way.
To ste mi tek sad rekli. Ja sam se tu trčio od svugdje i vi mi tek sad rečete. To nije baš lijepo bilo od vas, moram priznati. Ja sam mogao već biti tamo, samo mi nisam znao gdje.
Now, where did I put my bag?
Ha, treba sam po ruksak. Okej. Šta sad? Šta sad?
Mr. Lee's probably in the kitchen getting ready for the party.
Super, idemo. Bih mogla skipat. No, dobro. Ajde, dobro, idemo skipat. Može skipa.
Hey, Peter.
Idem skipat. Kaj vidimo? Mogu skipat. I ne mogu. Okej, sada idem. Idemo. Tu, okej.
Hey, Peter. What's up?
Just dropping in.
To je taj čovjek s kojim trebam pričat.
Hey, Mark, so sorry I'm late.
You were right on time. Just keep her distracted while we get everything ready.
You got it. Hey, there's my favorite aunt.
Peter, what a nice surprise.
Need some help?
Yeah, sure. Oh, there are some heavy boxes.
No. I mean, not yet. I mean, I came to,
Dobro.
I just wanted to talk.
Okay. Okay.
Idemo.
Peter, are you in trouble? Do you need money?
No, I mean, I'm a little behind on my rent, but no, I'm fine.
Girl
Zanimljivo.
problems again, huh?
What? No, that's crazy.
I still wish you and MJ could work things out. She's a great girl.
She is, but,
The two of you would make some beautiful babies. Peter, what is it? Come on,
Idemo.
you can tell me.
these past few years, you helping me through college and working here, and sacrificing so much and asking for nothing. I just wish there were more people like you in the world.
He's right. 5 years ago, you walked in here and told me you were inspired by my mission to help others. Now it's you who inspires me. Thank you, mate, for everything. Here's to many more years of service.
Tako to je tako super ili cool. Predivno. Ajde, želim mi brzo.
Thanks again for setting all this up.
I just wish I could do more.
Well, May's always told me if you help someone,
You help everyone.
Idemo.
Maybe we should send May to City Hall to have
Stvarno
a word with the
želim
mayor.
to ubrzati.
I gotta run.
Zašto? Evo ga, skip. Našao sam. Hvala Bogu, sada sam napokon našao skip.
Mail from Yuri. Should check it outside.
Dobro, moram malo hodati, što je dosadno. Mogu sam trčati, onda dobro, super, viška. Ide mi. Idem. Ajde sad mogu. Super.
Voicemail from Yuri.
Hey, silent alarm at the auction house holding Fisk's estate sale just tripped. Could you check it out? Quietly? I don't want to make a scene if it's nothing.
Fisk estate sale. Sounds fun. Wonder what the Kingpin had hidden in his closets.
Attention unit. Witness report of an assault in progress. Reported location is Murray Hill.
Evo ga idem. Malo hodanja, trčanja. Oh, a bully.
Peter, I lost track of you at the party.
Yeah, I had to get to the lab. Sorry.
Don't apologize.
Evo ga
I just
idem.
wanted to tell you how much what you said meant to me. I always wonder if I'm doing right by you.
Evo
Well,
ga
stop
idem.
wondering. After
Idem.
losing my parents and Uncle Ben, there are so many times I would have fallen
Idem.
apart if not for you.
Well, that works both ways, Peter.
Idem.
I just wanted to make sure you knew that.
May, I don't know what to say.
Oh, I think Mr. Lee needs my help. I should go. See you soon, dear.
Evo ga idem.
I love you.
Love you too.
Idem. Oh, I believe I can fly.
Need backup for a chase in progress. Please respond. Reported location is near Midtown North. Over.
Ne da mi se trčat. Pogotovo sad. O, idemo malo kod zgrada. Kada već pričamo o zgradama, ja se baš penjem po jednoj. Trebam brže doći na nju. Idem. Idem. Ko mi dobro ide.
Yuri said quietly. Better find a back way in.
Evo,
Officers, be advised. A mugging was just reported.
idem. Unutra sam.
I am losing patience. Where is the file?
There's someone else here. They must have taken it.
Those masks. Who are these guys?
There's no one here but us. We will find the file, or you will die.
This is bad. They'll kill her if I alert them. Need to pick them off silently.
Idem.
Yuri, the silent alarm was legit. Masked gunmen and a single hostage. Looks like a heist in progress.
Copy that. Sending units your way.
Idem.
Keep the situation from getting worse in the meantime.
Can do.
Treba.
Gotta do this quietly. Don't want to alert the others.
Idem. Idem. Yay.
They always look so cozy whipped up like that.
Idem. Ne trebam tu.
Should web him from above.
Idem.
Whoa, careful. You stay quiet now. Someone's coming. They'll see me down here.
Ajde. Ajde.
My patience wears thin.
Hvala
Someone else
Bogu.
is here. I swear.
If they're here.
Evet.
眼睛睁大点，有开了。
Danger. Hangi danger?
肯定不是我的幻觉。
Ovo je bilo cool. Hehe.
Hey, what is that?
Što je ovo?
This totally belongs to...
Don't move.
Evo ga.
Buddy, if I had a nickel for every don't move...
Hey, Pete.
MJ? What are you doing here?
Same as you. Working. At least, I was.
Oh, I think this is yours.
Yeah, thanks.
So Robbie's got you covering a break-in for the Bugle?
Well, Robbie doesn't technically know I'm here. And it wasn't a break-in until a few minutes ago.
Čekaj, ja sam zaboravila, idem ja to ubrzati. Ide? Super. To ubrzao sam. Idem.
Excuse me.
Hi, Mary Jane Watson. I'm covering the Fisk estate sale.
Hello. Craig said we'd do this tomorrow.
I like to get a jump on things.
Well, I don't. You'll have to come back tomorrow.
Right. Okay. I'm sorry.
Previše pričanja, eto, idem ja to ubrzati, moram.
Hey, Craig?
Možda
No, sorry. Just